from Airkewld here, going over our ultimate beams. Got a lot of questions asking about shock towers and how we can get them to fit on the body. You know, since there's so not any room whatsoever between the tower and the body. Stock, you know, there might be 3/8 of an inch on each side, half an inch on each side, maybe even 5/8. So kind of want to show you how our 4-inch beam compared to the stocks look. I wanted to kind of go in and see that our beam has a flange providing its strength that goes to the outside, where the stock beam is roughly 1 3/4 inches in from the tube end. And since we taper our bushings in, the control arm can sink in a little bit. So this profile, you can see that from a stock beam to a 4-inch beam, it'll fit in no problem. Now if your car is buckled or had the whole clip of the front end has been redone, you know, usually where that is welded can have a high ridge, so you gotta make sure that that is somewhat near the original, or the tower can't touch it. So this is a video for reference showing how it can slide in there and be 4-inch narrowed without having to do any body mods. If you have any more questions, check us out at airkewld.com, AIRKEWLD.com. Guys, I want to thank you for clicking that subscribe button. Go on, hit it, and clicking that like button if you like this video. And make sure you share it. The more love you show us, the better our content will be, and we couldn't do it without you, so we appreciate it. We thank you once again for subscribing, liking, and sharing the content you saw today. Until next time, see you guys later.